So I hit this street last video, but I ain't really throw no sauce on there, so let me throw a little entry on there and shit. Butter. What? Alright, I'm gonna pop second again. There you go. E-brake. I'm on E and wires, but nah, let's hit the streets a little bit. Let's go. Let's keep going. Oh yeah. What's up with y'all? Man, I'm out right now. I'm about to get some shit. I'm literally on wires, and I was just kicking it with the Skeemn boys for hella long sliding. I just learned how to click second and throw it back in the first and shit. But I mean, I'm out. I might as well record something for you guys. So I'm about to hit this spot over here, man, and yeah, show y'all the progress, what I learned today. Because of Skeemn boys, everybody was just learning. It's like kind of just a learn day. Let's go out and just improve on driving. So everybody learned some shit. It was lit. I'm about to go back though, because I gotta get that content for y'all boys. Alright y'all, I'm about to I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm about to just show y'all what I learned. Because I always just bang the fuck out of first gear and shouldn't do that, so let's get it. Shit's so much better. Second. Fucked up right there. Almost kissed the curb. Hold on, let me warm up. There you go. Butter. What? Alright, I'm gonna pop second again. There you go. E-brake. There you go. Yeah, so let me run this bitch some more. There we go. Yeah, that's so usually I just fucking send first gear, be high RPM, but I just hit 228,000 miles, bro. I can't be doing that all the time. I should click second and shit. So hold on, I want to keep going though. Let's go a little bit more. smoother. Oh yeah, there you go. I love that. All right, one more. Second. E-brake, pop clutch, first gear. Yep. There you go. Alright, one more time. Fuck it, one more. Nice. Yeah. Alright, let's shake the spot, man. That's what I learned, y'all. We're gonna shake the spot. Now I know how to click second and, you know, click back into first. Love it, bro. This car is so fucking fun. I'm on E and wires, but nah, let's hit the streets a little bit. Let's go. Let's keep going. Oh yeah. This pavement is so fucking grippy right here. God damn. Let's hit the streets though. I'm about to skeemn. I'm a whole new driver now though, clicking second and shit, so love it, love progression. So I hit this street last video, but I ain't really throw no sauce on there, so let me throw a little entry on there and shit. I forgot to turn on the light for y'all. Hopefully y'all seen that shit. Throw a little sauce on there. Last time I just hit it all plain and simple. I'm gonna hit it again just because I ain't had the light on. Fuck it. Throw a little entry on there again. There you go. There you go. All right, y'all, we out of here, man. Man, I'm just out improving. It's just little progress, man. At one point I was daily in this car, so I didn't really want to send it, but I got a spare car now, so it's like, fuck it. And I want to repaint it, so fuck it. We driving. Oh! All right, y'all boys, we out of here. Let's get it.